Last video I uploaded a video how to do HTML and CSS. Whoever did not see it, the link is in the I button. Click and see that video and see the video as it is continuation of last video. In this video we are starting with JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language commonly used in web development. It was originally developed by Netscape company as a means to add dynamic and interactive elements to the website. So come on, let's start it. Yes friends, we have entered into the lab. We already done half of the project. Okay. Now in first H1 we gave ID is equal to heading, right? That's for we did it for the CSS. Now take this H1 and add another. On click is equal to, put quotes there, then change and the bracket. Okay, I'll tell why we are doing this in the JavaScript. Even this p tag, give on mouse over is equal to quotes change color. Okay, yeah. Now we finish this. Now here in JS click type function change. Okay, so I think you have understood. We are using the change function here. Always to define a function, we are putting a bracket next to it. Now when it is clicked, okay, which one is clicked? When this H1 means this Kanishkar web page. When this one is clicked, which should change? Let us type it document dot get element. Okay, element by ID. See, it should be in capital. Document, everything should be in lowercase. Get should be in lowercase. In element, E should be in capital. In by, D should be in capital. In ID, I should be capital. This will get the change. Okay, now give the brackets and this one give heading here. Heading because there should be a change in the heading, right? So I am giving heading here, which I gave in the ID like heading and dot style dot color. Okay, so the color should change is equal to, in double quotes and give white. So save it and let us check it. See, this is our web page, right? It's changing, friends. It's really changing. See, even I can't believe it. Now it's blue color, right? And I click, it's changing to white. Then another function here. Here I'll give change color. Okay. So remember, we usually write COLOU or write, but in computer we can't. The computer can't get this spelling. It will only get COLOR. Okay. Then function, define the function and curly bracket document dot get element by ID brackets and this. Now you should give ID in this p tag. ID is equal to para. So it will get the change in this para only. So para dot style dot color is equal to blue. Okay. Now that's it. The code is over. So this is the para one, right? I like to play cricket and reading books. So see, on mouse over means when we are not clicking on it, we are just moving the cursor on it. So the color is not changing. Let us see what mistake we have done here. See here it's not a correct ID, so save it. Now see, Control R help. 1 minute. So this is the page, right? See, when I move it on this, the color was changing. So this is the black one, right? So see, when the cursor touches the line which the paragraph is, the color will change. And when I click on this, the color is changing. You try it and copy this URL and give it to me in the comment section. That's all for today, guys. Bye.